What's up YouTube, and welcome to quick cooking tips. Really quickly, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite sandwich, which is a Philly cheesesteak. So let's get it started. Ingredients: 2 onions, 1 whole pepper, 1 sirloin steak, add mushrooms if you like, and of course bread. First step, you get some nice onions, you cut them into thin slices and you stick them on the pan until they get caramelized. Step number 2, you grab a pepper and do the same thing that you did with the onions. Step number 3, you grab the goddamn steak and you do the same thing that you did with the onions and the peppers. You put them on a pan until they get nice and cooked. Step number 4 is you mix it all up. You mix it all up and you wait until it gets nice and cooked, and then you add the cheese on top and stick it on the bread. There you go guys, a quick and easy sandwich to make. Have it with whatever the fuck you want to have it and enjoy it. Daimonic out. Like, thumbs up, vote up, give me some love. It's good karma.